Hey, what's up guys, it's Kirsten here, and today we're doing a trading video.
So we're doing trade attempts.
Yeah.
Because we felt like it, and I want a purple long. So that's my goal, to get something today. Because I need to get something. I need a purple long. Do you have anything that you specifically want to get, Kirsten?
I want to get a white flower crown and a white Jamalade bow.
I do want a white flower crown too, but yeah.
And what is yours? You, Laylo?
Yeah, what do you want today? What do you want to get today? So I already have a pink long, so I'm thinking that I can use my pink long, trade for a blue long, then trade the blue long for
a purple long.
A purple long.
Yee. Okay, so let's do this.
Yee. Okay, guys. First attempt.
Succeeded.
Success!
We both got a flower crown. I got a white flower crown.
I got a yellow flower crown. We both got them from the same person, actually.
So, we're good.
I traded an overtrade because they were being really stubborn and I kind of really wanted it. And I don't really care.
I don't know if I traded an overtrade. I traded a black flower crown and a rare direwolf plushie.
I know that I traded an overtrade. It doesn't even matter when I trade because I don't even want to say it. I don't really remember.
Let's go on to the next trades.
So next time I will definitely actually film the trades.
Yep.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. And second trade attempt. So this is for a purple long, a pink long, a rare princess hat, black short wrist, a blue diamond spike, a donut spike, a magenta spike, and rainbow spike, and this masterpiece that I'm trading away, and I don't really want to, but I don't really care. Because I want a purple long. So I'm gonna trade. See how this goes. Please accept. Please, 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 please. The trade has worn out, I think. So, yeah. No purple long for me. Okay, whatever. Okay, guys. I haven't traded yet, but Kirsten has found some dude. No. Some person. The room's full. I can't come to you. She found Pippity. I don't know if you guys even know who that is, but Kirsten does. I don't. But Kirsten does. So, yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking to her right now.
Yeah. It's kind of awesome, but I can't come to her. Because the room's full. Please let me in, please. I'm just gonna keep trying. Hold on, I'll tell you guys. Okay, I'm in right now. Lag. Pippity! There they are. Pippity. I want to be your buddy. Please? Please? They have green Cupid wings? I want those green Cupid wings. What is this? A brown spike? Is Pippity rare?
Yes. About to get a screenshot with her.
Wait, what? Hold on. No, wait for me.
How do I search?
Pippity's in our video, and if Pippity's recording, then you're in her video.
Can I search? Okay, I can't search, I guess. Okay, here we go.
I love you.
There we go.
I don't really
Can you
care.
get out of our picture?
No, I want to be in it too.
You're in like this.
No, I'm not.
On my screen you are.
Sorry. Is Pippity like your friend now?
Yeah. Okay.
Everyone's in your picture.
I don't care. I got one that's just me and Pippity. There we go. So.
Alright, so yeah, Pippity's here, and Kirsten's basically made friends with Pippity. Bye. Hello, peeps.
No, come
We're
to
back, and I'm coming to Kirsten because
She's
at
at
a
a giveaway.
at a giveaway.
I hope it's not trust.
I'm gonna trade necklaces with trust. Like, literally, I'm not trading anything.
Wait, is that the guy that tried to be cool?
No.
It was exactly like
Yeah, a lot of people with
the black student.
There they are, Snow Rabbit 23. The non-member with this stuff on his
Oh my
trade.
god, what's going on?
Look on his trade.
Stop it. It's not working. What the heck?
Click. Oh gosh.
Okay. It's good now.
Okay, we'll get back to you if it's trust.
Okay, he hasn't said how he's doing it, but he says if you don't like the way he's doing it, then go away. I think he just wants us to trade for the stuff. I don't think it's trust. I think he just wants us to trade for the stuff.
I don't
How
know.
rare is this?
What?
It's worth like a long call. Ah! He said it, yes,
The
trust.
furry?
Oh my goodness, no.
No. Remember that time where you tried to record? Well, you didn't try to. We were going to record because there was a scam, and I got locked out of the den. And you
But I
don't.
didn't.
Yeah, because you weren't, yeah, I got locked out. So.
The reason I did trust is because what?
Because you're a scammer, that's why.
My BFF does trust all the time, and she's my role model.
Well, does she scam? I wonder
Every time.
You know what? I wonder who's the swords. Who's the main?
Yeah, I wonder who
Who's
this is
the
the main
main?
account.
Who's the main?
Let's record this just in case they scam.
Who's the main? I wondered. Not my Layla, not BuzzPop399.
And
Not
Kirsten
Kirsten.
80. Duh!
It could be anyone else.
I'm a YouTuber. Why would I scam? YouTubers don't scam because
Sometimes
they have a
they do.
YouTube channel. Well,
I
people
watched,
that don't show their usernames.
I watched a YouTube video. They scammed, and I knew their username. I reported them.
Oh, they were probably on storage too.
They scammed on YouTube. Like, on YouTube.
I know they posted.
They posted how to scam. Seriously, it was called How to Scam.
Once she gave away a black long and I was there. Whatever. I'm gonna trade for this. Give me all your rares now. Give me all your rares. Okay, my list for red long. No, thank you. I've been offered 6 good shorts. No, gonna see. There.
Seriously, you've been offered 6 good shorts for your red long?
Yep.
You
Is that
didn't
fair?
accept it?
Is that
Yeah,
fair?
it's over.
It's over?
Yeah, it's worth 3 good longs, but I didn't want to because I like my red long. That's how much I like my red long. I didn't accept a bad long over trade. Okay, give me all your.
Oh, come on. Kirsten?
I'm not accepting. Watch.
Snow Rabbit doesn't have that item anymore.
Decline.
Trade for it. Oh my goodness. This really? Really?
You scammer!
I said if you're gonna argue, then leave. I'm not arguing.
But we is
I'm gonna record this on
record.
my bones.
Good luck being scanned by. You can say hobo in English.
You can?
Yeah. This person just said good luck being scanned by a hobo. Well, hobo is a homeless person. So,
Alright,
Mhm.
better not be scamming.
My Layla, do not trade anything to him.
if you want to stay,
Ready me if you want to stay.
I'm gonna stay.
I'm gonna stay because I'm recording. Thank you. I'm unbuddying him after the giveaway. But I
Should I try doing my Rare Clover amulet or no?
Sure.
Actually, I'm just gonna do a Rare Item Monday, because that's not a Rare Item Monday. Wow. They declined a Rare Item Monday.
They're trying to win your trust.
How are you supposed to win my trust if you don't accept? That means
If they
you
don't
just-
accept, that means they want more.
Yeah.
So they're trying to win
Or
your
they
trust
want
by
your
giving
trust.
it back. They want your trust, so they give it back, so then you can get something else.
I wanna see who's in it. I'm not gonna trade, I wanna watch. Okay, look everybody out, like yeah. Well, I'm gonna get locked out, great.
Let's buddy one of the people in here so we can tell them
Wait,
to report.
we gotta figure out who's not moving. Who isn't moving? Erica.
Lizard.
That's
winning
the main.
With a beard. Oh my
She's the main.
goodness.
She's the main.
I
She
have
has
a
to
beard.
be.
She has to be the main.
I have a beard. Boom.
She's the main.
Erica has to be the main because she's not moving or talking. And she's probably not. She accepted my buddy first. She's
I
not
have a
moving
beard.
or talking. Like literally, she's just standing still.
Who? Erica?
She's not, and she even said, "I'm not trading. I'm just watching." She's obviously the main.
Yeah.
Well, I think this video is going on for too long. This was supposed to be a trading video. I guess we traded a couple times. So it was pretty much a success, because I got a yellow flower crown, but I didn't get a purple one.
But that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay, because I got a yellow flower.
We'll probably do a part 2 to this, guys, since we did find a giveaway.
Yeah, but
So we'll pause if she scams anyone.
yeah, we'll pause. Yeah, let's pause. Bye.
Guys, so
They
they just said Lizard won.
They announced the winner.
Yeah.
It's Lizard7599. So maybe it's not a scam.
But I think Erica is going to be their main account.
Mhm.
If they give something to one of us, then we'll see if it's not a scam. But if they don't, then we're not doing it. We're going to think it's a scam the whole time.
They're trading.
Cause, like, I
If
don't know.
they'd lock us out, then.
Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and pause and stuff. Okay, bye.
Wait, that guy says OMG. I
He's
think he
wearing
actually
it.
got something.
He did.
He
He
got
probably-
a green long.
Yeah, he got the yellow long wrist. He had the good long one.
Oh.
Okay, now they're doing the furry, and
Yeah,
I'm
Kristen's
trading.
gonna trade for a furry. She really wants a furry.
But I'm not trading my red long or my white flower crown or my
Oh, they did it.
accepted.
They accepted for what?
The thing.
Did they have the furry on trade?
Bad on.
Or did somebody already trade for it?
They don't have it on trade. They're giving it away now. Okay.
I hope you're gonna win. The username for this scammer or not is SnowRabbit23, just saying.
Guys, Kirsten got the rare furry. Trade
traded
attempt
for it.
success. This video is a success. Are we gonna end it here?
Not for me, it's for Kirsten though.
Wow, I got the furry. All right, bye guys. I
guys.
didn't get sent it because they didn't scam. I traded for it. All right, bye guys. See you guys next time. Peace out, Pete. Bye. Buzz.
Pause it. I can't pause it.